Hey everybody, Halloween season has begun. I think it's the 3rd now, and I wanted to make this video earlier, but I was in Atlanta doing a mini fest with some friends at Uke Republic. But I have a few days before I go up to Pennsylvania to Funky Frets, so I'm gonna try to make a video real quick. So the tutorial I would like to do for you guys today, the Halloween song, Spooky. It's not really a Halloween song, but I always play it at Halloween. If you look at the sheet that I provided, hopefully in the comments below, here are the chords. E minor 7, sounds scary already, right? And F sharp minor, and A sharp diminished 7. Kirk, what are you doing? I want to have fun when I'm playing ukulele. I don't want my brain to explode. Well, guess what? All of those chords are super, super easy. They just sound different or hard, but they're not. They really, really are easy. Maybe beginners might have a little trouble with it, but not much, really. A lot of these chords are just 2 fingers on 2 strings. That's how easy it is. There is also a B minor 7, but that's pretty easy as well. All right, so let's review the chords real quick. E, I'm going to change the camera view so you can see my hands a little better. So in E minor 7, let's start with that. All you have to do is make a G7 shape like that, and then lift up your pointer finger. All right? Another way you can say it is O2O2. Open, 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret. Open just means that you're not touching any frets on that particular string. All right? And that's going from your chin down. O2, O2. Here's what it should sound like. Now, I do have a low G on my Ohana, but you guys, as long as you're in tune, it'll sound great. Just make sure each string is ringing out individually, so you can make sure it's doing it right. That's it right there. All right, that was easy, right? No problem. F sharp minor, that sounds a lot harder. Watch this. Put your pointer finger back down and make that G7 shape, right? We're not gonna play a G7, but I'm just showing you the shape. Now, move all 3 fingers 1 string closer to your chin. All of them just up 1 string, right? So you're still making a G7 shape, but now it's an F sharp minor shape. Or if you want, it's a 2-1-2-0. 2-1-2-0. Does that make sense? Can you see it? All right, here's how it sounds here. Right? All right, so 90% of the song just goes back and forth between the E minor 7 and the F sharp minor. You can leave your pointer finger right here as an anchor. So we're gonna start with an E minor 7 like that, but just leave your pointer finger down right there. Your middle finger is blocking it, so it does not affect the sound of any of the strings. And then just move these 2 fingers back. Pretty cool, right? And for now, you can do that strumming, but let me just show you what I'm gonna do, what the goal is eventually. Right? But for now, you can just go. All right? All that's really easy, right? All right, let's go back to the E minor 7, right? You can do it like that and leave your pointer finger down if you want, or if you want to lift it up, just as long as you have those 2 fingers down. So the next chord is an A sharp diminished 7. Holy cow, this sounds crazy. It is exactly this, except for you're going to move your two fingers down. Down meaning lower sounding, a lower tones. Down one string. One fret. And this is what it should sound like. So E minor 7, A sharp diminished 7. All right? So that's super easy. You just played an A sharp diminished 7. That's how easy it is. All right, the last chord in this song is a B minor 7. So here's a little bit of a quiz. What is an A minor 7? Some people might know this already. Watch this. That's an A minor 7. All right? It has different names, but that's an A minor 7. So in order to play a B minor 7, you need to move up all 4 of those open notes a whole step or 2 half steps, or 2 frets in this case. So we're just pretending that's moving 1 half step, 1 more half step, or 1 whole step. And that is a B minor 7. 1 finger all the way across all 4 strings. Right? That's it. That is all the chords for the whole song. And like I said, 90% of it is just doing this. Easy enough, right? All right, so I'm just gonna play the first verse so you can get a good idea. I'm gonna record the whole song separately on a separate video that you can watch and listen to, but I wanted to do that separate than the tutorial. So here we go. I'm gonna keep it on my hands and you can hear my voice. So like I said, E minor 7, and then just go ahead and plant your pointer finger there on the first fret of the C string. You do that a couple of times to get warmed up, and then whenever we're ready, we'll sing right here. In the cool of the evening when everything is getting kind of groovy, I call you up and ask me if you'd like to go with me and see a movie. First you say no, you got some plans for the night, and then you stop and you say alright. Loving's kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. That's basically the whole song. The only thing that changes is in the last 2 verses, when you go to that B minor 7, you're gonna say, spooky! And then go right back to that E minor 7, F sharp minor, before you start the next verse. Give yourself a chance to recuperate, make sure you're playing in time again. I'll go ahead and do the next verse, let's see. Here we go. You're always keeping guessing, and I never seem to know what you are thinking. If some fella looks at you, it's for sure your little eye will be a winking. I get so confused, I don't know where I stand, and then you smile and you hold my hand. Loving's kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky! And in the last verse, you just do that last line twice. And then you end on that spooky! And you go whatever you want to do. That's the whole tutorial. That's pretty easy. I probably made it too basic for you. But I will have the chord sheet in the comments below, or if you can't find it, just message me directly. I'll send it to you. But this is a great Halloween song that most people would not play, right? So just give it, and it's nice and laid back too, so it's easy to get into. So have fun with it. If you like it or whatever, comment in the comments below. Tell me where you played it, how's it's going, blah, blah, blah. So I try to make it under 10 minutes, almost. Have a great one.